Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change the name of the channel on YouTube. You know how it is. You create a channel and maybe you're still not sure about its name. So you just put a temporary name and then you start looking how to change it. Well, it's pretty easy. Let's go. First of all, we need to go to the Creator Studio. You can click on the account icon at the top right corner of your window and select Creator Studio. You can also click on Video Manager on your channel homepage. Select Channel from the left side menu and click on Advanced. Click on Change next to your channel name. Click on Edit in the pop-up window. Enter a name you want in a new tab. Click OK. Keep in mind, it will also change names in other Google services, such as Gmail and Google Drive. Go back to your YouTube page. Reload it. Enjoy the new name. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!